Easy keto chicken crust pizza recipe. Hey there, fellow food lovers. If you're searching for a way to indulge in your favorite cheesy, saucy pizza goodness while keeping things keto-friendly, I have the perfect recipe for you. This easy keto chicken crust pizza will become your new go-to meal. It's satisfying, incredibly flavorful, and ridiculously simple to whip up. Transforms chicken into a scrumptious crust. The real magic happens when we take humble ground chicken and magically transform it into a crispy, savory pizza crust you won't believe is low-carb. With just a few simple ingredients and a bit of baking magic, we'll create the perfect foundation for all your favorite pizza toppings. Get ready to say goodbye to cauliflower crusts and hello to a whole new level of pizza deliciousness. Ingredients for your chicken crust masterpiece. Ground chicken, 1 pound, the star of our crust. Shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup, adds gooey goodness and helps bind everything together. Grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup, a flavor boost with a touch of saltiness. Egg, 1 large, acts as a binder. Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon, infuses classic Italian pizza flavors. Garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon, a touch of garlicky goodness. Salt and pepper to taste, season to your liking. Serves 2-4 people, depending on how hungry you are. Get excited, it's pizza time. Preheat oven. Fire up your oven to 400 degrees F, 200 degrees C. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Chicken crust creation. In a mixing bowl, combine the ground chicken, cheeses, egg, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Use your hands. It's the most fun way to mix everything until well blended. Shape your masterpiece. Place the chicken mixture on the prepared baking sheet and use your hands to spread it into a thin, even crust, about inch thick. Pre-bake the crust. Bake in the preheated oven for 15-20 minutes or until slightly golden and firm. This step is crucial for a crispy crust that holds up to those delicious toppings. Top it off. Remove the crust from the oven. Now comes the most exciting part, toppings. Slather with your favorite low-carb pizza sauce. Sprinkle on more mozzarella and load it up with all your favorite goodies. Pepperoni, mushrooms, peppers, olives. The sky's the limit. Bake to perfection. Pop the pizza back in the oven for about 10-15 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and the toppings are heated through. Deliciously customizable. The beauty of this keto chicken crust pizza is its versatility. If you're craving a BBQ vibe, swap the pizza sauce for a low-carb BBQ sauce and top with grilled chicken. Spice lovers can add a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a kick. Get creative and make it your own. Tips for the perfect keto pizza experience. Use a good quality ground chicken for the best flavor and texture in your crust. After the initial bake, pat the crust gently with a paper towel if any excess moisture has formed. This will help ensure a crispy pizza base. To amp up the flavor, add a sprinkle of Italian seasoning or garlic powder directly to your pizza sauce before putting it on the crust. Hold on to your taste buds, friends, because this keto chicken crust pizza is an absolute game changer. Say goodbye to those cravings and hello to wholesome, satisfying pizza nights. If you want more awesome and easy keto recipes just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's get cooking.